Did you know AI robots have boosted manufacturing efficiency by up to 30%? This dramatic increase is revolutionizing the industry and setting new standards for productivity. AI robots are rapidly transforming the manufacturing sector, becoming crucial in overcoming traditional production challenges. Their impact is reshaping how factories operate, offering unprecedented efficiency and flexibility. Traditional manufacturing faces significant issues such as labor shortages, inefficiencies, and outdated processes. Many factories struggle with high production costs and slow adaptation to new technologies, leading to reduced competitiveness and productivity. AI robots are addressing these problems with advanced technologies. For instance, Vention's machine motion AI technology integrates seamlessly with various industrial systems, using NVIDIA's Jetson platform for edge AI to enhance path planning and perception. This innovation enables robots from brands like ABB, FANUC, and Universal Robots to connect effortlessly with a range of equipment, including conveyors and machine vision systems. Additionally, Vention's Machine Builder and Machine Logic software streamline design and programming processes, featuring smart component placement and real-time updates for accurate project planning. A standout example of ARI's transformative power is Vention's collaboration with ABB Robotics to bring cobot automation to small and medium manufacturers. This groundbreaking partnership exemplifies how AI-driven solutions can democratize automation, making sophisticated technology accessible to a broader range of manufacturers and dramatically improving their operational efficiency. AI robots are revolutionizing manufacturing by addressing labor and efficiency issues, enabling faster and more accurate production processes. Technologies like Vention's machine motion AI are leading this change, making automation more accessible and effective than ever before. Share your thoughts on ARI's role in manufacturing in the comments below and explore our other videos to stay updated on the latest advancements in technology.